Okay, hold on. Here. Just type in here. I am Cell Sixto. Okay? And you can call me teacher Rose. All right? Can you please read my name?
Teacher Rose.
What is that again?
Teacher Rose.
All right, teacher Rose. All right, that's
Teacher
my name.
Rose. In the flower.
Oh yeah, just
Yes,
like a flower. Yeah.
yes, flower.
All right, Rose. All right, so that you will not going to, forget my name. It's just like a
Okay.
rose, a flower, right?
Rose. Yes.
All right. Okay, can I have your name, please? What's your name?
Yes, my name Vin. It's Vin.
Vin. Can you please
Yes.
type in here?
Uh, uh,
It's all right. Okay, very good. You actually get it into a sentence. You make it into a sentence. So let me just pronounce it. If just tell me if I got it correctly. It's Vin. Is that correct?
that Vin.
Vin.
Vina.
All right, it's Vin. Do I pronounce it correctly?
Vin.
Vin.
That Vin.
All right. Okay. Hi, Vin. All right.
Nice job.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Hold on for a second. All right. All right. Before anything else again, can you now see me clearly and can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I hear you clearly.
All
But
right. That's
but
great.
only the play.
All
I
right. I
can
really do
hear the
apologize for the earlier, you know, yeah, okay. So since are you ready right now for our lesson?
that I ready for lesson.
All right. So let me just go ahead and share the screen so that you will able to see our topic, okay? Just
Okay.
hold on here. Okay, here. Oh, what happened? Hold on for a second. Okay. Can you see my screen right now?
Oh, that okay. I see the screen.
All right, that's great. Okay. All right. So in this first slide, okay. Can you describe to me on what picture can you see here?
Okay, I hear some word. Some word is missing.
Oh,
I'm
I'm just
missing
Ving.
because
All
the
right.
internet is maybe slow.
All right. Hello, Ving.
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Ving, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Can you can
I cannot.
you can't hear me again? Hello? Oh, what happened again? What's wrong? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now now I can.
Oh, what happened? There's something here. Hold on for a second. Okay. What happened? Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I now I can hear me. I hear you.
All right, that's great. All right. There may be a poor connection. That's why we can't hear each other. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay. So, can you please repeat what you said earlier about the picture?
Yeah.
Can you describe to me what can you see in the picture?
That I see in the picture have the file. It's the
Mhm.
I have the file and the firefighter is uh, have a hose, a saw with the water and firefighting with the fire.
All right, very good, Ving. So, yeah, you're actually correct. That's great for describing the picture. It's actually here, as you can see, there are,
Yeah,
mhm, yes, there
some
is a firefighter.
firefighter.
All right, yeah, they are. What do you think they are doing? They are.
They are they are firefighting.
All right, yeah, that's great. What they're doing there, right there on the picture, they're actually trying to stop the fire, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
try
all
to
right.
put out
Mm-hmm.
the fire.
All right, very good. Yeah, exactly. Put out the fire, and they can actually also save people's life because it's actually maybe it is the house that is burning, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. And they are you familiar with this thing which the firefighter is holding?
holding,
This one. Are you
yeah,
familiar with this?
holding the whole reel.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's actually a firefighter hose. All right.
Firefighter horse.
Yeah. In this hose, it is actually where the water coming out, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And they are wearing what do you call this? A firefighter clothes, right?
yeah,
Just like
firefighter.
here, a helmet, a jacket. That is the common the clothes of the firefighter, right? So here, okay. Do you have any question about the picture,
Mm,
or do you have any question that?
no, no,
Okay,
I have
okay.
no
Are you
question.
okay? Okay, that's great. So now, since you don't have any question about the picture that I did here. Hold on for a second. Okay, this one. Okay, here. Can you please read this one?
Unit 1,
Mm-hmm.
Jennifer the firefighter.
All right, very good. So the picture is something to do with our topic for this day. So as what you have read right now, it's Jennifer the firefighter. All right. So can you describe to me on what is, or can you define to me on what is firefighter? Do you have any idea or a brief definition?
It's, firefighter is the job. Um, is the job. They are is helping people to save their life and for example to rescue the people in the fire or helping
Mm-hmm.
uh, people have accident in traffic.
Mm-hmm.
At the fire uh, firefighter uh, mm, they use the fire truck or helicopter um, and some equipment to help people and firefighting.
Mm-hmm. All right, very good, Vin. That's great. You actually got it correct to define on what is firefighter. They are simply a person whose job is to stop the fires from burning,
Yes,
right? And
yes,
they are also the one who saves people's lives. And
yes,
just like what you've said earlier, they have there a um a car. I mean yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there are equipment that they have in which help them to stop the fire, right? Ving, can you hear me?
yes.
All
Some
right.
words is missed because the internet.
Oh, I'm so
Uh,
sorry. What is that again? Hello, Ving.
yes.
All right. Okay. So, do you have any question about the on what is firefighter? I'm so sorry. Do you have any question?
Uh, um, fire. that I think fighter in every country is the same, but some maybe close and maybe it's different. Some I think in my country is the firefighter is wear the red clothes, but
Mm-hmm.
um, how about the country firefighter wear the red clothes or the black or the yellow?
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, Vin. All right. Oh, I'm so sorry. Is that your question?
Yeah.
Hello,
My
Vin.
my question is the firefighter in your country wear the yellow clothes or red clothes. My in my country they wear red clothes.
Oh, you mean in your country the firefighter are wearing red clothes? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And the other country is?
It's some country I see they wear the yellow,
Mm-hmm.
maybe the, the white clothes.
Oh, okay. So, you mean that you are comparing the clothes of your country and the different country in which how they wear a firefighter clothes. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I asked
Okay.
for the country
Oh, for the other country. Ah, okay.
for your country.
For your country. Okay. So, you want me to describe on what is the difference between the Fonja country and your country. Is that correct?
Yeah.
On what they are wearing, what the firefighter wears. Mm-hmm. Hello. Oh,
Yes. Yes.
okay. Hold on for a second. What happened? Okay. Here. Okay. I guess this. Hold on for a second. Here. Top and. Okay. All right. Ving. Hello, Ving.
Yes.
Okay.
I hear.
Okay. Would it be fine if you try to type in here your question because um, we have difficulties hearing one another. Would that be fine? Oh, all right. Now I understand. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Vin. I really do apologize for the earlier because I was not able really to clearly hear your voice because it's broken. So, okay, now I understand your question, and yeah, I really apologize for that. But anyway, you've got here. How about your country? The firefighter wear red or yellow clothes? They're also wearing red clothes, right? Okay, so now I was able to answer your question. So, all right. So, how about your country, Ving? Are they wearing red also?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Red
Ar-
also.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Ving. So, Let us now proceed to the next slide, okay?
That okay.
All right, here. So here, Ving, can you please read the upper left side of the screen here, this one?
That pronunciation.
All right, very good, Ving. Um, can you please define on what is pronunciation? Do you have any idea on what is pronunciation?
At pronunciation, you use the mouth with the lip, the turn, and speak your voice. How to read the word
All right.
correctly.
Mm-hmm. All right, very good, Ving. You actually got it correctly. It's how the word are being pronounced, right? So
Yes,
here in this slide, we actually going to read some words in here. Here,
yes,
it's like here. Just can you
yes.
see this one? All right, these are the example. But before that, let us just do it first, which is here the instructions for you to have to help you to pronounce these words. All right. So we will going to use a Google Translate. All right.
Okay,
So we will know on what are the meaning of this in English. So let me just first let you listen this one and kindly repeat. Okay. So let's first listen this one. Okay.
doing,
All right. I'll let you listen it twice. Okay.
doing,
Can you please read this one?
yeah. Doing.
All right, very good. Doing. Okay. All right, so this is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, here. Let's do it. Let me just let you hear this one.
release the tongue and tongue lightly to the upper jaw,
Okay, for the
Yes,
second time.
release the tongue and tongue lightly to the upper jaw,
All right,
yes,
can you please read this one?
yes.
Mm-hmm.
At release the tongue, and the turn lightly the upper jaw.
All right, very good. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Release the tongue and tongue lightly to the upper jaw. All right, so that's the first instruction. And the second one, okay, here. Okay, can you kindly please read this
At
one?
two
Mm-hmm.
teeth, two teeth half closed and mouth half open.
All right, very good. So this is the second instruction that you need to do. Okay, so the third one. Okay. Mm-hmm.
air flows from the tongue and gums,
All right,
At
another.
air flows from the tongue and
All
gums,
right, can you read this one?
air flows from the tongue and gums.
All right, very good. Okay, so this last but not the least. Okay, here. Okay, right. So
the sound produced is similar to that of snakes,
second
the
time.
sound produced is similar to that of
All
snakes,
right, can you read this one?
The sound produced is similar to that of snakes.
All right, can you please read again the word produce?
Produce,
All right.
produce.
All right, very good, Bing. It's produce. All right. So, okay, since we have already done, yeah, reading this instruction, so we're going now to do the demonstration. So, can you repeat after me, Ving? Just like this. Can you do that? All right. Okay, very good, Ving. Okay, so actually these words below this example, these are words that has a sound like a snake, like the letter S. It's S. Can you repeat it again?
Yeah.
All right, very good, Vin. You actually got it correctly. So let us now read the first word so that we will know if you pronounce it correctly. All right. So can you please read this one?
Bus.
All right. Very good. Okay. Are you familiar with bus?
Bus.
Are you familiar with this word?
Yeah, the car.
All right. Very good. It's act. Can may I ask if is bus big or small?
The bus is big.
All right, exactly. A bus is big. All right. So let us now proceed to the second word. Can you please read this one?
Class.
All right, very good. Class. All right. Okay, the next one.
Horse.
All right, horse. Can you say it?
Horse.
All right, very good. Okay, here. How about this?
House.
All right, house.
House.
All right, very good, Ving. Okay. Did you observe while reading these words, did you observe the sound of letter S, just like a snake?
Yeah.
All right, that's great. So another one. Can you please read this one?
Bicycle.
All right, very good. Bicycle. Do you know how to all right. Do you have a bicycle, Ving? Do you
I
have a
have that. I have a bicycle.
all right. So are you enjoying having a bicycle?
I enjoy it, but I not have small time to ride
Oh, I.
bicycle. I
Mhm.
like running small. I running so much. I
Oh, I.
like ride bicycle.
All right. Okay, Ving, thank you so much for sharing that one. Me also, actually, I love doing bicycling. But anyway, since I don't have enough time, just like
Yeah,
you, so I also enjoy running.
yeah.
Okay, so let us now proceed to the next word.
So far,
All right. Very good. Can you say it again?
so far.
All right. Very good. Sofa. Okay. Do you have sofa at home?
I have a chair.
Mm-hmm.
Chair. The chair by made by wood.
Oh, okay. Okay, Bing. All right. So here the next word. Can you please read?
The pencil.
All right. Pencil. Can you please read it again?
Pencil.
All right. Pencil.
Pencil.
All right. Very good, Bing. All right. It's a pencil. So are you familiar with pencil?
That I have some pencil. Some
Okay.
pencils.
All right. Can you please let me see that one? Do you have it in your near you? All right. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Bing. All right. So let us now proceed to the next word. Can you please read it?
Box.
All right. Box. Can you say it again?
Box.
All right. Very good. All right. The next one.
Star.
All,
Star.
all right. Star.
Star.
All right. Star.
Star.
Okay. Very good. It's a star. So, are you doing a stargazing?
Star. Stargazing is the sea star.
Oh, yes, exactly. Are you fond of doing that thing?
Yeah, when I was child, I like seeing star and the moon, but
Mm.
now it's not.
All right, I see. Okay, just like me also, when I was still a kid, I love seeing the star in the sky and the moon, just like you. But when I'm already an adult, then yeah, it's not. We don't have enough time to do that thing, right? Okay, okay. So next, can you please read this one?
Mouse,
All right, very good. Again,
mouse.
okay. Are you familiar with the mouse?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
My country have a lot of mouse.
All right. Are you afraid with mouse, Ving?
No, I can cat it.
So,
Cat.
mm-hmm. So you can hold the mouse
Yes,
on
I
your.
can hold the mouse.
All right, yo, it's good for you. Me, I'm so afraid with mouse.
That's because you are the girl.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Anyway, I'm happy for you because you're not afraid of a mouse. Okay. So let us now proceed to the next word. Second to the last word. Can you please read this one?
Spoon.
All right. Very good. I mean, spoon. Okay.
Spoon.
Mm-hmm. All right. So let's proceed to the last word. Can you please read this one?
Desk.
All right, very good. You actually read it perfectly. It's desk. All right, so since we've done already reading this examples here, um, can you please repeat it with yourself only? All of this?
Repeat the
Mm-hmm.
all of it. Yeah.
Oh yes, all of it. Okay.
Bus.
Mm-hmm.
Class.
All right.
Horse.
Okay.
House.
Mm-hmm.
Bicycle.
All right.
Sofa.
Mm-hmm.
Pencil.
Okay, very good.
Box.
Mm-hmm.
Star.
All right.
Mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Spoon.
Okay.
Desk.
All right. Very good, Vin. You actually read the whole word perfectly with the sound of letter S, right? So you're so good. And earlier you have difficulty on reading this one, but on the second time you actually read it perfectly. So that's great. And now let us proceed here. Can you please read this one?
Practice.
All right, very good. So I want you to read this one and yeah, and here is the answer. So let's do this one. So can kindly ask this or read
Yeah.
this one? Mm-hmm.
What is it, Sam?
All right, very good. Can you please repeat? What's this, Sam? Can you do it?
What's this, Sam?
All right, what's
What?
what's with the
What?
S.
What's? What's?
All right.
What's?
Mm-hmm. Okay,
What
what?
this? What's?
Okay.
What this, Sam?
All right. Okay. Oh, here in this word, hold on for a second here. Can you please indicate the word S? Like, I mean, yeah, the sound of S, like what's? Can you do it?
What's?
All right. Very good. And what's this?
What this?
All right.
What's this?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what's this, Sam? Okay. Let us try to read this. Word by word. Can you please try to read this one, this highlighted word?
What's?
Okay, what's?
What's
Okay, very good. And this one here.
this?
Okay, very good. And this one.
Sam.
Okay, very good. So let's try to read the whole question. Okay, can you please read it again?
What's this, Sam?
All right, being very good. You get it correctly now, perfectly. Like you have difficulty earlier with the what's, but now you've actually read it now correctly. All right. So can you please read the answer of the question?
It's a bicycle.
All right, very good. So someone is asking to someone what is this? So it is a bicycle. So let's just imagine that someone is asking on what is this, right? If I'm gonna ask you what's this, Ving, so you're going to answer it's a bicycle, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let us now proceed to the second. Okay, can you please?
And what's this?
Okay, very good. So what's the answer?
A bus.
All right, boss. Can you do it again? I mean, can you read it again? A boss.
A bus.
Okay, very good. Can you please read it again, the whole question?
And what's this? A
And
bus.
okay, very good. All right, so these are actually words, just like what I've said earlier, words and questions with a question and answer with words with sounds with letter S, like a snake sound. Can you pronounce? I mean, can you what do you call this? Can you do the? All right, hold on for a second. Can you try to create the sound of a snake or this or the S sound?
Uh, the and the sound.
Yeah, the S sound. Can you do
Uh,
it?
s-
All
s-
all right, very good. Okay, so Ving, do you have any question about the pronunciation?
I have no question.
All right, that's great. So let us now proceed to vocabulary. All right, are you okay, Ving?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. It seems that you're sad.
Huh?
It seems that
No.
you're sad. You're not smiling. Okay. Are you fine?
Smiling now.
All right. That's great. You look handsome in your smile, right?
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome. All right. That is now. Okay, Ving, we are now on the third slide. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Can you please read the upper left side of the screen?
Vocabulary.
All right. Very good. Vocabulary. Okay. Can you define on what is vocabulary?
Vocabulary is the word
Mm-hmm.
uh, the the new word.
All right,
Okay.
very good. Okay, very good. Very good, Ving. All right, vocabulary are just words in which a body of words that you need to learn, right? Okay, right. So here, as you can see in here, there are four words with pictures. So this is the words that we need to learn for this day. Okay, so you can actually see these words on the later part of our discussion.
Yeah.
So can you please read the first word, Ving? This one?
Yeah. Female.
All right. Very good. Female. Can you say it again?
Female.
All right. Very good. Okay, Ving. Are you familiar with the word female, or can you define it for me?
Female is the word say the the jealousy of the girl.
All right.
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Let's talk about the gun.
Mm-hmm. It's all right. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Ving. You actually defined it correctly. It's simply a girl or a lady,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right, Ving, since you know what is the meaning of female, can you please give me a sentence using the word female?
Um, the female in the nationality is the male or female. You you when you fly when you fly in the type when fly the uh, in maybe the identify the identified
Mm-hmm.
the ID card
All
to
right.
correct the male or female.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait me a minute.
Okay, sure. Just
Yes.
take your time. Okay. All right. Okay, Ving. All right, so here, let me just try to type in here or define the female, okay? All right, here it's a girl, a girl, and a lady, can also a lady, and or a woman. So here's the thing, Ving, since here. So it's a girl. Can you please read this one?
The female is the girl, the lady, or the woman.
All right. Very good, Ving. Okay, here's the thing, Ving. I want you to create a sentence using the word female. Can you?
Female.
Mm-hmm.
And the sentence.
Yeah, a sentence. A simple sentence using the word female. Okay.
mm, Female is the girl, is a girl, lady, or the woman.
Okay. All right. Okay. Not a problem. Let me just try. Okay. Here. I'll try to do a sentence first, and then I will let you create your own.
Ah,
Okay. For
uh,
example. Okay. Let me just go ahead and try to create. Okay.
maybe Linda is the female.
Oh. Okay. So you're mentioning a name. Okay. Here's the thing, Ving. Try to type in here. Okay. So that we'll see if it's a correct sentence. All right. Okay. Okay. You type in. Mm-hmm. All right, thank you so much for that, Ving. Okay, so all right, so you can here. So let me just rephrase here. So you said here Linda is the female. Okay, okay, so you can actually what do you call this, right? This way is a a female. Okay, here. All right. Would that be fine? All right. Okay. Is that clear? So when you say Linda, when you if I ask who is Linda or something like that, so Linda is a female. So you can answer in that way. All right. You actually good on that on making a sentence using the female. You just got it wrong in here in this side, but anyway, not a problem because it's actually yeah, here. Only the da and the ah, right? Okay, can you please read this one, Ving?
Linda is a female.
All right. Okay, Linda is a female. Can you please read it again?
Linda is the female.
Okay, how about this one here? Linda, can you please read it again?
Linda is the female.
All right, can you please read this word again? Is. Can you do it? Is.
Is
All
is
right, very good. So when you see here, as you can see, it has an S, right? So you need to sound like a snake, right? It's is. Like, can you do it again? Is.
is.
All right, very good, Vin. So here, you do you have any question about the word female?
F no.
Okay, that's great. So let us now proceed to the second word. Can you please read it?
Uh, Exercise.
Okay, very good. It's exercise. So, can you please define and what is exercise, Ving?
Exercise is the acts of the people do. to good for the health.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, example, I do exercise every day to for better my for my health is better for my health is better.
All right. Okay. Very good, Ving. So you do exercise to have a good health, or is that what you mean, right?
For my health
Mm-hmm. Your health, so that your health will be good.
yeah
Because if you do exercise, you will become
good
mhm, healthy, right?
healthy yeah.
Okay, very good. So it's actually doing a physical activity. Okay, can you give me an example of an exercise, Ving?
Exercise example running,
Mm-hmm.
walking, and lift weights.
All right, very good. It's like running, jogging. By the way, Ving, are you doing an exercise?
Yes,
Okay. All right. So here. So how many times a week do you do exercises?
I do exercise every day.
Oh,
About
mhm.
a half about 30 minutes.
Oh, that's great. So you're really a healthy person because you do exercise. Okay, you actually by the way, what a specific exercise you are doing when you do exercises?
There I running every morning.
Hmm. All right, very good. That's great. So you do running every morning.
Running.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's great. Anyway, since you know already what's the meaning of exercise, can you do or create a sentence using the word exercise?
Uh, I do exercise every day.
All right, very good. So you said, I do exercise here every day. Okay, right?
Yeah,
You said
yeah.
this one. Okay, very good. You actually got or create a sentence correctly. It is a complete sentence. So it means that you do exercise every day. Okay, that's great. So let us now proceed to the third word here. Can you please read this one, Ving?
Lift.
Okay, very good. So can you define on what is lift?
Lift.
Mm-hmm.
It use the body. It raise the thing. It to
Mm-hmm.
from to from below to higher position.
Oh,
Location.
mm-hmm. All right. Very good. That's great. So, are you doing a lift or something, a lift weights? Are you?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
no, I don't like the gym.
Oh, I see. All right. So, okay. Thank you so much for that, Ving. So, can you please give me a sentence using the word lift?
He lift a weight.
All right. Very good here. So, let me just put in here. So, what did you say again?
He lift.
Day. So, here. I'm so sorry. Here. They live.
They lift. They lift weight.
All right. Very good. Here. Right. Oh, I guess I got. Hold on for a second. Oh, all right. So they lift weights, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good, Ving. Okay. So do you have any question about the word lift?
Okay. No question.
No questions. All right. So let us now proceed to the last word. Okay. Can you please
Yeah.
read this one?
strong,
All right, very good. Can you please read again?
strong,
Okay, very good. All right. So, can you define what is strong?
strong. It so muscle. It's very well.
Mm-hmm.
You can do you strong. You can you have the good muscle. You
Mm-hmm.
can do do exercise or lift weights. It exercise you can lift heavy thing.
All right. Okay, very good. So you actually correct on defining this one. So when you say strong, it's actually having the power to move heavy weights, right? Okay. So like it's yeah, that's it. Hold on for a second. What's this? My phone is just alarming. All right. Okay. Okay. So very good on that. So strong. So just like by the way, Ving, what are the thing that are you carrying or something that require power, or are you carrying something
Uh,
just this required a strong muscle, or do you have, or how about your job? Do you have any job that needs to have a strong muscle?
yeah, my job it really it really needs the strong muscle, but we are limits that at 25 kilo
Mm-hmm.
for lift the thing that you do not lift the thing over 25 kilo.
Okay.
It's not good for back the back.
Mm-hmm.
We are often lift the spoon or you know the flank it the it metal you you use the bone it connect the
Mm.
flank it do you want if you want connect one the spoon or the piping
Mm-hmm.
flank it the flank it the bone is connected. Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Ving, for sharing that. Okay. All right. So, here, for the last time here and the vocabulary part, I want you to read again this following words. Okay.
Okay.
So, this one first.
Female
Okay. Very good. This one.
exercise
Okay. Good. How about this?
lift
Okay. Very good. And how about this one?
strong.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any question about these words?
Okay, yes, I have it.
Mm-hmm.
No question.
No questions. Okay. So, since you don't have any question, Ving, so let us now proceed to the next slide. Okay. So, and okay, it's actually what time is it? Okay. Anyway, let us proceed. Okay, so let us now go to the story. So the first thing that we will going to do is I will let you listen to the story first, okay? And I want you to listen carefully because I will going to ask question afterwards, all right? Okay. So, okay, here. So let's start.
Jennifer, the
Ah,
firefighter.
by the way, Ving, can you hear clearly the story? Ving?
Yes, I can hear clearly.
Oh, okay.
Jennifer Smith is a firefighter. She is one of the first female firefighters. Jennifer works hard every day. Jennifer exercises every day. She lifts weights. She wants her muscles to be very strong. She saves people's lives every day. She is very strong.
All right. So, okay, Vic. So, did you clearly listen or hear the story?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, my question is, what is this story all about?
The story talk about the female. She called the Jennifer Smith. She a firefighter and she have the strong muscle. Mm, uh, he her health is very strong.
Mm-hmm.
He exercise every day and there her dog it live the save the people live.
Okay. Okay, very good. But here's the thing, Ving, thank you so much for that. I'll let you listen again the story and tell me on what is the title of the story, okay? All right.
Yes,
Vi-
okay.
okay, here.
Jennifer, the firefighter. Jennifer Smith is a firefighter. She is one of the first female firefighters. Jennifer works hard every day. Jennifer exercises every day. She lifts weights. She wants her muscles to be very strong. She saves people's lives every day. She is very strong.
Okay, okay, right. So, Ving, what is the title of the story?
The title of story is Jennifer the firefighter.
All right, very good. You got it correctly. All right, so here, since Ving, it's almost time. Here, let's just stop in this part, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, by the way, do you have any questions?
Uh, no,
Oh,
today is starting is good.
okay, that's great. So this day we discuss about the. Can you give me some words or that we have discussed for today?
Uh,
Just can you tell me what you have learned?
the what we discussed today is the female
Okay.
about the exercise
Okay. Very good.
about the lift
Mm-hmm.
and the strong.
Okay, very good. So that is the vocabulary part, right?
Yes.
So, how about the pronunciation? What are the words that you've read earlier or you have read earlier?
The the we practice how to uh, how to mm, how to sound the s,
Mm-hmm.
and some words is bus, class,
Mm-hmm.
um, the
Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. Earlier, the strong and the leaf.
strong, strong exercise. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that are the words that you have learned for today, right? Okay. So I'll just have to do a feedback for you. Okay? All right. So here's the thing, Ving, our lesson is actually perfectly fine. It's actually good, and you've actually have a good pronunciation. even though you have difficulties of some words, but you can actually um, perfectly I mean read the one for the second time, right? Okay, so thank you so much for that, Ving. So here's the thing, Ving. I have here an assignment for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so your assignment here, so that we're going to be ready for the next meeting. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Assignment.
Yeah, the assignment. Okay. Okay, I want you to create a sentence using the following words so that you will not going to forget. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat this one, Ving, so that you can um, actually here and strong. Okay, okay, is that great? Is that fine with you?
Okay. I make a sentence and put on the sky on the boat.
Yeah. Okay. You can actually type in here the assignment. All right.
Now,
Oh, what is your question again, V?
and and you mean I make a sentence with using for what?
Yeah, the
Female
female
exercise and
exercise
strong.
and strong. Yes.
Yeah. I
Okay.
typing on the sky on writing on the book.
Okay. You can just tap in here on the Skype so that I will able to read it in here. Okay. So that you will not going to have much time on writing on a piece of paper. Okay. Would
Okay.
that be good? Okay. So I guess we've actually it's now, yeah, it's 11 and yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Ving. Have a wonderful night and yeah, thank you so much, Ving. Take care always and bye bye for now. See you on
Okay.
Wednesday. Okay, thank
Okay. See
you.
you in 20 days.
Okay,
Yes.
bye
See you.
bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah.